Hey guys, welcome back. I am finally getting around to doing a taste test of my Mosaic Red Ale. So there it is there. Apologies for the delay. So this has just been poured off the keg. It's definitely got some red hues here. I've got a torch here. Hopefully, there you go. Hopefully that gives you a better example. It's raining outside, so I haven't got any sun to sort of go through the glass to give you a better idea, but happy with the colour, holding a nice little creamy head on the top. So before we dive in, just to recap, the malt bill is a 50-50 split of Gladfield Aurora malt, which I've used at 100% before, but this time I've split it 50-50 with Golden Promise. And then it's hop with Mosaic, so half as a Whirlpool hop stand and then the other half as a dry hop, and then I use the S33 yeast, and that's pretty much it. So it's, you know, just one step up from a smash. It's got that extra malt. Finish quite high, 1015, and that's part of that's down to the S33. Doesn't finish terribly low. I have had it finish lower in the past, but this time around it finished, you know, 1015. So it's come out at 5.4%. So let's cheers to you all. Hope your week's going well. We'll get a nose on it. Also so Aurora is described as having sort of a fruitcake sort of aroma, similar in some ways to the Gladfield's Shepherd's Delight, but you can only use that in small quantities, whereas the Aurora you can use it up to 100%. So yeah, you get a nice sort of fruitcakey aroma, and then I'm getting almost like an orange peel type aroma, maybe a little bit of citrus from the Mosaic, which smells really nice. So first impressions are good, so we'll dive in. Cheers to you all. So now we're a good chunk of the way through autumn. I wanted a beer that had a bit more malt character, you know, as well as hop character. So first up, it's got more of that rich sort of fruit cakey flavour coming through. A little bit sort of toasty sort of flavour as well coming through, maybe even a little bit nutty. And then we've got the Mosaic coming through. Getting like a little bit of pine as well in the flavour. And then, yeah, sort of hints of the dark berry that you can get with Mosaic as well. But yeah, real nice malt body to it, but not heavy going. 5.4. I could definitely have several of these. Yeah, it's sort of slightly under a medium body, I would say, but it's got a nice mouthfeel to it, slightly creamy texture, which I'd say is coming from the sort of rich characters of that Aurora malt. And I think it's balanced out with a little bit of sweetness from the Golden Promise, and also the fact that the gravity's finished a little bit higher. So it's not, I wouldn't describe it as being tiny, little bit dry, but not very, not dry at all, really. Yeah, there's definitely a little bit of malt sweetness, but it's very subtle. It's nice. It's not sort of taking over from the other flavors. Yeah, definitely getting more of that berry, and yeah, some sort of orange peely sort of flavor coming through as well. So yeah, very happy with that. A nice nice drinker for this sort of weather outside. See if we can pick up anything else. Yeah, getting more of that berry on the nose now. Almost like a blackberry blueberry type aroma, which is really nice. Nice bit of lacing as well. So yeah, very, very happy with that. So not much else to tell you. I'll put a link to the brew day video and also the recipe below. If you've got any other questions, just sing out. Otherwise, we will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Over and out. Cheers.